Okay. A very good evening to all of you. How are you all? How are you all?
Fine.
You're fine?
I am fine.
Okay, okay. You know it's a maths class today, right? And what is the topic?
Yes.
Hmm? You know the topic? No? Yes? Tell me something.
Shapes.
Yes?
No, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, shapes. No, ma'am.
Shapes, yes. Just see what is this? Can you see? What is this? Can you see it? What is this? No? It's not visible
No,
properly? It's not
no,
visible?
ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am.
see, what is this? Now, can you see it? What is this? Huh?
Circle, ma'am.
Yes, it's a circle. Okay, how we will make a circle? हम कैसे बनाते हैं एक circle? Can we use the scale? आप सबके पास scale है? हाँ? आप सबने scale देखा
No,
है
ma'am.
कैसा होता है? अच्छा scale देखा है आप सबने कैसा होता है? You saw? आपने
Yes,
देखा?
ma'am.
हाँ? तो क्या हम लोगों को सर्कल बनाने के लिए स्केल की नीड होती है? We need the scale or not?
No, ma'am.
No? So how we will make the circle? From the compass, right? What we use to make the circle? Compass.
Compass.
Yes. We will make the circle like this. So, is there any corner? What is the corner? What do you understand by a corner? क्या समझते हैं आप एक कॉर्नर किससे बोलते हैं? What is the corner?
Vertices.
Yes.
Ma'am, circle has no corners, no vertices.
Yes, circle has no corner and no vertex. What is corner? Can you tell me what is corner? क्या होता है corner? If I have this paper, okay, so this line ends there. If we have a line, so where line ends, okay? एक जो line है, ठीक है, वो जहाँ पर end कर रही है, that is the corner, okay? This is the corner. So, what is this? I made here. What is this? This
Square.
one. It is a
Square.
square. So, this one corner, this one, second corner, this one, third corner, and this one, four corners. So,
Four corners.
and a square has four corners, right? Circle square has four corners. Now, can you see the circle? Circle has any corner or not?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No corner. Right? Now, what is this? Can you see it? What is this?
Triangle. Ma'am.
This is a
Triangle.
triangle shape. How many sides are here? Three. Three sides are here.
Ma'am, it has three. Ma'am, it has three corners.
Yes. So a triangle has.
Yes, ma'am, it has three corners.
Right. Very good. Okay. Now I want to show you a video. Do you want to see it? Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. 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 Wait a minute.
Already calling vendors.
Oh no, a project hiccup.
We need a squeezy bottle.
Good idea. With a more diplomatic approach, your request will get a better response. Problem solved. Grammarly can make all the difference.
Yes.
Hello dear students. Today's topic is shapes. Okay, in shapes you have read about many kind of shapes like circle, triangle, square, rectangle, oval, etc. So many shapes. Okay, you know how to draw shapes. Okay, how to
The
recognize
voice
shapes.
is coming or
But
not?
today,
The voice was coming, beta?
Ma'am, not.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी नहीं आ रही थी, इससे पहले आ रही थी, अभी तो मैंने बंद कर दिया बेटा. इससे पहले आ रही थी वॉइस? हाँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
इससे पहले आ रही थी ना? आ रही
Yes,
थी?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
we'll do
Okay, all right.
its faces, its edges and its corner. Okay, कि ये फेसेस क्या होते हैं, एजेस क्या होते हैं इन शेप से एंड कॉर्नर्स क्या होते हैं. ओके, लेट्स फर्स्ट क्लियर द न्यू टर्म्स. ओके, न्यू टर्म्स मीन्स यू आर डूइंग फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम कि व्हाट आर फेसेस, व्हाट आर एजेस एंड व्हाट आर कॉर्नर्स. सी फर्स्ट वी हैव फेस. ओके, फेस नॉर्मली जैसे आपका फेस होता है, सबका अपना अपना फेस रहता है जो फ्रंट फेस होता है, वैसे ही बिटू फेस मीन्स अ लाइन और साइड ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, जो भी हमें सामने दिखता है, ओके जैसे आप सर्कल देखते हो तो फ्रंट फेस दिखता है, दैट इज इट्स फेस. ओके, आपने रेक्टेंगल बनाया तो आपको सेम सामने वाला फेस दिखता है, दैट इज इट्स फेस. हमारा भी फेस है, जैसे आपका है, मेरा है, सबका फेस है, दैट इज फेस. ओके, just see here is triangle. Okay, front face, front side is its face. Okay, second we have edge. Okay, edge means you can say a line. Okay, see we have a triangle. Triangle is made with three lines, three straight lines, so it means these lines or these side are also called edges. Okay, so third we have corner. Okay, corner is also known as vertex. Okay, other name of corner is vertex. Okay,
So, Arav, you were saying vertex. So, vertex and corners are same. All right? Okay? Vertex and corners are same. All right? So, a triangle has...
Okay, ma'am.
This is a triangle you can see here. This is a triangle. So, triangle has three corners or we can say vertex, three sides. All right?
corner means a point where two lines meet. Okay, जहाँ पे भी two lines meet करती है, two sides meet करती है, any line or side. Okay, they join. When they meet at a point, they form a corner. Okay, corner is also called vertex. Okay, vertex is sometimes there are vertices. Vertices means plural form of vertex. ओके चलिए क्लास दीज, ये तो अभी टर्म्स थी कि ये क्या है, होती है, क्या क्या टर्म्स होती है.
Wait, I'm just changing the video. Okay, I'm just... Because you all know that what are the sides and corners, right? So, now we will see the properties of 2D shapes. Okay?
Welcome to Adapted Mind, the Monster Math Academy. Your child can make their very...
Hey guys, and welcome to Tutoring Hour. I'm Roller, the panda, and today I'm going to tell you about 2D shapes. Let's take a look at our first shape, the triangle. A triangle is a three-sided shape. These are the sides of the triangle. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, and 3. The triangle does have 3 sides. The point where 2 sides meet is a corner. Let's see how many corners are there. 1, 2, and 3. 3 corners. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Now, let's take a look at our...
What is this? Which shape is this?
Ma'am, rectangle.
Yes.
Rectangle.
Yes, very good. Very good, you all.
next shape, the rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. These are the sides of the rectangle. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, the rectangle has 4 sides. Did you notice that the opposite sides in a rectangle are equal? These two opposite sides are
Yes, so what is the difference between rectangle and square? You know, the rectangle has 2 opposite equal sides. Okay, you can see this one and this one is bigger and this one is smaller. Okay, so these both are the opposite side, this one and this one. These both are equal and this one are equal. So we can say that rectangle have 2 opposite sides and that are equal. Alright? 2 opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Okay?
are equal, and these two opposite sides are also equal in length. Let's count the corners now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 corners. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Our third shape is a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. These are the 4 sides of a square, and these are its 4 corners. All 4 sides of a square are equal. What do we have next? A pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Up next is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Our next shape is a circle. A circle is round. It has no sides or corners. Our last shape is an oval. It has no sides or corners, just like the circle. It has a rounded and slightly elongated outline. That's all from us for now. Visit
So, about how many shapes you have learned? Just tell me. First of all is, tell me, Arav. About how many shapes you have learned? First is Arav Chauhan.
Ma'am,
7. First is triangle. Very good.
Ma'am, 7.
Wait.
First is memory.
First is triangle. Okay, Shaurya. Second is, what is the second shape? You have learned in the video. Video में जो आपने second shape देखी थी, what is that name? What is that? Shaurya Rawat.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. That is rectangle. Nirvan Pundeep, the third shape was, what was the third shape? The third shape was Nirvan. Nirvan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what was the third shape? Which third shape you learned in the video? First was triangle, second was rectangle, and third was?
Second is rectangle.
Third is?
Square, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Samriddhi. That is?
Square.
After square, that is? What is that after square?
उसका नाम नहीं.
Huh?
Ma'am, I don't. Ma'am.
Huh? That is pentagon. Very good. That is pentagon. After pentagon, that is hexagon. What is that? Hexagon. And then circle. And the last one is oval.
Oval.
Right? The last one is oval.
Yes, ma'am.
First shape was triangle. This is a triangle. So, how many sides are here? How many sides are here?
3. Ma'am, 3.
1, 2, 3. vertex, right? V-E-R-T-E-X, vertex. और vertex का plural क्या होता है? The plural form of vertex is vertex. V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S. That is vertex. Plural of vertex. Okay?
Vertex.
We will say corners and vertex also. Okay? And what are the edges? The edges means sides. Right? The edge and side are same. अगर आपसे पूछ रहे थे what are the edges? The edges are the lines or sides. All right? Got the point?
Okay, ma'am.
No. If you got the point, just
Yes, ma'am.
show the thumb if you got the point. Okay, okay, all of you, very good. Now, how many sides are there of a rectangle? This is a rectangle.
Ma'am, 4.
Four. Four
Ma'am,
sides
4.
is the second name of side. Yes, the second name of side is edge. So,
Right.
how many edges are in the rectangle? That is 4. How many edges are there in rectangle? That is 4.
4.
4 edges. And how many corners or vertex? How many corners are there? Just count. 1, 2,
4.
4. So the corners or vertex are 4. Very good. 4 corners and 4 edges. Very good. Now just talk about the square. This is a square. So how many sides are there?
4.
4. Very good. There are 4 sides and 4 corners. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the difference between square and rectangle? I told you when we were showing video.
Ma'am, all the sides of the opposite are equal.
Yes, the rectangle have opposite equal sides. So, 2 sides of a rectangle is equal. Okay? But in square, there are all over 4 sides are equal. Square में क्या होते हैं? सारी की सारी sides जो होती हैं वो equal होती हैं. ठीक है? But if we are talking about the rectangle, उसमें क्या होती है? जो opposite side होती हैं. Like this one and this one are equal, and this one and this one are equal. All right? If I will show you this paper, okay? This is a paper of which shape? Which shape of paper this is? Rectangle. So,
Rectangle.
side will be equal. This one and this one. And this one and this one. Okay? All right? But if I am talking about a square, तो square में क्या होते हैं? सारी ही sides equal होती हैं. है ना? All right? समझ आ गया सबको? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now we will talk about pentagon. What is pentagon? How many sides are there in pentagon?
Ma'am, 5.
Yes. A pentagon have 5 sides. Like a hut. Okay? The shape of pentagon is like a hut. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So, a pentagon have 5 sides and 5 corners. Right? Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner and 5 corners. 5 corners are there. All right? Got it? Yes or no? Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we will talk about the hexagon. The hexagon have 6 sides. How many sides the hexagon have? The hexagon have
6.
sides.
6 sides.
2,
6 corners.
4, 5, 6. It's slight like pentagon. जिसकी साइड जो हेक्सागन होता है वो क्या होता है? स्लाइटली पेंटागन के जैसे होता है, बट प्रॉपरली पेंटागन नहीं होता है. बिकॉज ये ऊपर से तो पेंटागन की तरह हो सकता है, बट फ्रॉम डाउन इट इज नॉट लाइक पेंटागन. ओके? इट्स फ्रॉम बोथ साइड लाइक अ हट. ठीक है? इससे क्या होता है? दोनों साइड से हट के अगर हम इसे ऊपर से देखेंगे, हाँ, इट्स लुकिंग लाइक अ हट. ओके? इफ वी विल लुकिंग इट फ्रॉम द डाउन, इट्स लुकिंग लाइक अ हट. ओके? दोनों साइड से कैसा लगता है हमें? हटके जैसा लगता है. ऑल राइट, गॉट द पॉइंट? इट इज क्लियर? Okay, so hexagon have 6 sides and 6 corners. Okay, a hexagon has 6 sides, 6 corners. Right? It has 6 sides and 6 corners. Okay, now we will talk about a circle. And I told you in starting of the class that a circle has no sides and no corners. Why? Because we will not use a scale for making the circle, right? We will not use the scale, and if there is no line, there are no corners, right? If there is no line, no corner will be there, right? No edges, no vertex will be there when there is no sides. All right, so it has 0 sides and 0 corners. All right, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
The point? Okay, now we will talk about the oval. What is oval? Oval shape. Do you see an
I'm
X?
oval and no corners.
Yes.
No sides and no.
Oval has also no sides and no corners. Very good. So it has 0 side and 0 corners. Got the point? All 2D shapes are clear to you? Sari 2D shapes
Yes,
are
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now I want to show you a screen.
Yes, ma'am.
We will do a worksheet, right? Wait, huh? I am sharing it. Wait, huh, beta? 1 minute, huh? Yes, can you see it? Is it visible to you or not? Is it visible or not? Tell me. Arav, don't write. Arav Chauhan.
Yes.
Don't write on the screen. No. Okay. The screen is visible to you or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Visible? Okay, so first of all, Nirvan Pundir will tell me. Nirvan, how many sides are there in a triangle? Fast.
Ma'am, 3.
Yes, and how many vertex?
Ma'am, 3.
Very good. Okay, now it's the turn of Samriddhi. Fast. How many sides in a square?
Ma'am, 4.
Okay, how many vertex?
4.
Very good. Okay, now it's the turn of Arav. How many sides in a rectangle? Number
Ma'am,
of sides.
4.
Very good. And
Ma'am,
number of vertex?
rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners.
Very good. Okay, now is the turn of Shaurya. Shaurya, tell me, how many sides are there in a trapezoid? It is a trapezoid.
4. Ma'am, 4 sides and 4 corners.
Very good. Now is the turn of again Nirvan Kundi. Tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
how many sides are there in a parallelogram? This one. This shape.
Ma'am, 5.
Huh? This parallelogram. This one, blue. Sky blue, beta.
4.
4. And how many vertex?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Very good. Okay, now is the turn of Samriddhi. How many sides are there in a pentagon?
5.
5. Very good. How many corners?
5.
Very good. Now is the turn of Shaurya. Shaurya Rawat, tell me hexagon.
Yes, ma'am.
Hexagon. Count
Ma'am,
it.
8 corners and ma'am, 8 corners.
8 or 6, beta? 8 or 6?
6.
6 it is,
Ma'am,
na?
6.
Yes, 6 sides and 6 corner. Okay, very good, all of you. Very good. Okay.